Hello everyone, welcome back to I Know Indonesian channel. Today we are going to learn a new topic, which is how to make plural words in Indonesian language. The rule is very easy, which is you just need to double the noun itself. For example, sepatu. To make it plural, you just need to say sepatu, sepatu. Shoes, tas. The plural word is tas-tas. Bags, pencil. The plural word is pencil-pencil, pencils, telur. The plural word is telur-telur. Eggs or apple becomes apple-apple, apples. See how easy it is? Since there is no additional s or es like in English or other grammatical rules in other languages. We can also create plural forms in Indonesian language by adding quantifiers or numerals before the noun. For example, satu sapi means one cow. However, if you want to say more than one cow, you just add the number in Indonesian language that probably you have learned. Again, there is nothing to change in the noun to make it plural. But remember, when the noun is plural by adding a quantifier, you don't have to double the noun. For example, it is correct to say 6 kambing or 6 goats, and it is incorrect to say 6 kambing. Next, we have compound words, which has the rule is only the first word that will be repeated to form plural. For example, orang tua becomes orang-orang tua. In English means the elders. Or surat-surat kabar means newspapers. Or kereta-kereta api, trains. The next is how to make plural word if the number is indefinite. The rule is very easy. You just need to add the word para, which means many, or beberapa, that means some in English. For example, para tetangga means many neighbors. Beberapa orang means some people. Para penonton, many spectators. Beberapa burung, some bird. Para pahlawan, many heroes. Beberapa kamus, some dictionaries. Lastly, we have to be cautious with some words that are originally composed and reduplication words. Thus, they do not have the plural form. You can just use the words as it is without thinking of the plural of singularity. For example, kupu-kupu, butterfly, oleh-oleh, gift, mata-mata, spy, lumba-lumba, dolphin, laba-laba, spider, paru-paru, lang, laki-laki, man. And to make it plural, you just need to add counting words or number, such as 3 kupu-kupu, 3 butterflies, 5 oleh-oleh, 5 gift, beberapa mata-mata, some spies. That's all for today. Hope you can learn new knowledge. See you in the next video. Terima kasih and sampai jumpa.